Welcome to my shed, where I have been often found working on my little Hyundai Excel race car. It's got its limitations though. This side's even more squishy. But then this happened. And I love that car, so I had to put my beloved Beetle back in the shed. Which meant I'm back out on the grass to work on the Excel, and quite frankly, I'm getting sick of jacking this thing up on the back lawn. So the kids' cubby house is now listed for demolition. We're going to level off this patch of the backyard and use it as my new parking spot for the XL. Huge thanks to Sam, who had some sand on his property out the back of Pemberton here that he didn't really want anymore, so I was able to grab a trailer load, or 3, maybe it was 6. We're pretty lucky. Pemberton's pretty much built on a hill, and our block, compared to many others, is actually pretty level. But it's still on enough of a slope that I need to import quite a lot of sand to flatten this area out. I'm all for using tools for jobs they weren't supposed to be used for, including four-wheel drives, aka my Nissan Patrol steamroller. Hey, I figured what better way to compact my sand pad than with 3.5 tons of troll. It's going to work beautifully to compact my pad. It's hardly going to have a high-rise apartment complex on it, so this should do the job nicely. about to lay some of the best brick pavers you will ever likely to find. And that's because they were free.